Dogs don't recognize themselves in the mirror by looking, they do it by smelling. Unlike humans and some apes, who use sight to pass the classic mirror test, dogs rely on their noses to figure out who's in the reflection. Scientists tested this by letting dogs sniff their own scent and then a version of it altered with another smell. When faced with the altered version, dogs became way more interested, showing they knew something wasn't quite right about their reflection. This means dogs have a kind of self-awareness, just not the way we expect. Their brains are wired to use scent as their main source of information about the world, including themselves. So while your pup might ignore their mirror image, don't be fooled, they know who they are, but it's all through the power of their nose.